While camping in Cannon Beach, the Grahams explored majestic Haystack Rock and the adjacent tide pools. Okay, we're out at picturesque Cannon Beach. We're making our way to Haystack Rock. What do you think?
Look right here. Okay, baby.
We're at.
Watch. See how they close up?
Oh, yeah.
You think I...
Oh!
It's a little tiny bugger.
Good out. Evie's good. It's okay. Touch him.
Okay.
He won't hurt you.
It's just like at the aquarium.
He won't hurt you.
It's
She was scared then too.
It's what Nemo lives in.
Touch him.
You know Nemo?
Touch.
Finding Nemo, he lives in
It won't hurt you.
just explored Haystack Rock down in Cannon Beach, Oregon. Starting with Holden, what do you think of this place?
This is my favorite part of the trip so far. It's really cool. We found like 14 sea stars or starfish, something like that. We found uncountable sea anemones and uncountable mussels.
Cucumbers, mussels. It's super cool. If you're into seeing sea life and a lot of that stuff underwater, I totally recommend coming here. And it's very accessible, and just make sure you go on low tide so that you can really see everything.
Yeah, this is my favorite part of the
And
trip.
bring rubber boots. There's so many people out here in bare feet,
We're prepared.
and it's cold, and it's sharp.
What did
The
you
rocks
see
are sharp.
What did you see there that you really liked?
Well, I didn't see the starfish because I was with Evie, but we were looking for them. But there's all kinds of like sea anemones, and they're really fun to touch. You touch them, and they're all sticky, and then they close up, and they're really cool. They're all different colors, like pink and purple and green, and really neat. Fun coming out here.
What about you, baby girl? What did you like?
I'm gabbing me. Oh wait, that's me.
She's being a little shy.
What do you like about the tide pool?
Great.
It's great. Yeah, it was pretty cool. I've seen it in pictures and videos, but to actually be up close and personal. But I really enjoyed it. I got some cool drone shots as well.
My favorite part of the tide pools was seeing huge starfish. I saw an orange one. Hopefully I got it good on the GoPro. But it was like this big. It was huge, and there was like big families of them. And it was pretty amazing. They were so colorful.
Nice. Yeah. Was one of them named Patrick?
Oh,
Yes.
yeah.
He was
Okay.
living
Did you
under
see
a rock.
SpongeBob though?
I didn't.
No.
Oh, and look what else Kaylee found.
Living in I found it. It's like an optical illusion with a
Oh wait,
hole in it.
hold on. Let's see.
Okay, hold it up. Hold it up over there. You can use it like the Goonies stone.
Wait, can I do it? I think it matches.
Nope, there you go. And what does that tell you? That sloth loves chunk. That's what we get from all.
Okay, truffle shuffle time, truffle shuffle time, truffle shuffle time.
Nice. We have another adventure in the books, another location we've seen and scouted. And hey, if you guys get a chance, come out here, have some fun. This location is beautiful, and we had an amazing experience. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you can be kept in the loop on our latest adventure.